So at Penshaw Monument, we're going to see if we can get some nice photos. Let's start the long hike up the hill. When I say hike, it's more of a little walk. So we've got to the top, there's the monument behind me. We're going to have a look around, see what photos we can get. Here's the final shots with the settings. So those were the photos that we took and edited. If you like the photos, please give this video a thumbs up. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I'm ready for the next video.